There's a t-shirt under here.
Really?
See that? You see that, Josh? T-shirt under
What
there.
does it say?
Speedway champ.
Ooh, what's that? Cell phone.
Nice.
This is nice stuff to send him to daycare and
Oh,
stuff, you know?
Yeah,
that's cool.
That is a shirt
I
underneath.
love that orange.
Here, open this one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Thanks.
Thank you.
That is cute, huh?
Yeah.
Do you need help? There you go. Ooh, what's that, Dominic? Oh, look!
Bubby.
Poppy?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Oh, is this Itch and Sketch?
Oh, I mixed this.
What's this?
Travel deal.
Here, open it on this side.
Maybe she does now. Yeah.
But you can't see it on the other TV, like on... You're not running law, boy!
Maybe she does something to her kids on the other TV. I noticed that.
Here, oh, cool, look. Here, you have one more gift.
She surely has enough...
Look, you have one more gift. You want to open it?
I like her. Do you?
Open it from here.
On the show before this, hear her and Regis say today.
Oh, cool.
I did.
Isn't that cool?
You know what you ever see her on the Electrolux commercials?
Hey, you're going to say thank you. Say thank you, Grandma.
Bye.